Here's Blake. Into the corner. Chatfield up for it. Minute 10 remaining here in the opening period. Miller. He gets this one. A move out in front. He'll score! Logan Stankoven against his former team. From the high slot into the net. And the Canes have a 3-1 lead.
This has got to be incredibly special and meaningful for Stankoven. The jitterbug, what a move on the guy he was traded for. Rantanen tries to play him. Stankoven is long gone. Fearless, agile, elusive, and then the quick release. Ottinger never saw it. I mean, that's got to be an amazing moment for Logan Stankoven.